everyone, so today we are going to make some palak chicken. For this I need 2 pounds of chicken, which is cut into bigger chunks, pieces like this, or that's about 1 kg. Once you're done cutting the pieces, add in some yogurt. So I will use 1 cup of yogurt. Squeeze in half a lime or lemon. Add in all the masalas one by one. Depending on your spice levels, add the red chili powder. I'm using 2 spoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi powder, about 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and then some salt. Not too much because you will also make the gravy. Give this a good mix for the marination and keep it aside for about 30 minutes while we will work on preparing the gravy. That's it, the chicken is all well coated with the marinade, and then let us just keep this aside for 30 minutes. To prepare the gravy, take a thick bottomed pan, and I'm going to add some mustard oil. You can use any oil of choice. This is about 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil. Once this is heated, I'm going to add in the dry red chilies, 3 to 4. Add in some fenugreek seeds or methi dana, and next I'm going to add in some onion, not very finely chopped, but this is about 2 big onions. You need to fry these for about 10-15 minutes till they become really nice and golden brown. The onions have started to look golden brown. At this time, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So a full teaspoon, actually maybe half more. So 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and give this a good mix. I'm keeping it on a medium flame. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So this is cooked, and now let's add in the marinated chicken. Once the chicken is added, put the flame on a high and then nicely mix this in. And keep cooking on a high flame for about 5 minutes till this chicken is slightly coated and you see a layer of it on top where it starts to harden and cook. We'll let this cook for about 10 minutes on a low to medium flame. The chicken has been cooking for about 10 minutes on a low flame. At this time, we will add some more salt. If you like more chilies, you can add a little bit more red chili at this time. I am also going to add in some spinach leaves. You don't want too much spinach because this is just light, tender hint of spinach. Give all of this a nice mix. Cover the lid again, let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes on a low to medium flame. The chicken has been cooking for 15 minutes. Let's remove the lid and look. Oh, nice. That already looks great. You can see it started to leave the oil. It's become a nice gravy. If you need more gravy, feel free to add some more at this time. Yeah, the chicken is cooked here. I love a little more gravy, so I'm going to add some more. Adding about half a cup more. And just cover it for another 5 minutes before we are almost done. That is it. We are done. I'm going to turn off the flame, cover the lid, let it stay for 5 minutes, and then we will plate it. And the chicken is all ready. Let's dig in. So delicious, so tender. You must try it, guys. Have fun. Tell me how you like the recipe.